Little bubble toys.
Play and learn.
Look at how to adventure bubble gun. Welcome to Little Bubble Toys review.
Today we have come hiking.
Today we have come hiking. And look what we have got.
Yeah, we have a light up bubble gun. It says twist, remove cap, twist, attach the bottle, and then it's ready to go. It needs no batteries.
Yeah.
And it's by Art Creativity.
Like this one.
Yeah, which colors do you have? Blue,
Blue, green,
green,
and pink.
pink. Which one is yours?
This one. The pink
Okay.
one.
Let's fill in the bubbles.
Here's a bubble.
Yeah, it comes with bubble refills, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's fill it up and then come back.
Yeah. Let's fill it up and then come back. Remember to hold it straight or don't hold it downwards.
Can you do bubbles now? One more time. Oh, it started come. Do. Nice, Kuriya. 1 minute. So if you see closely, this has no batteries. It's a self-operated thread machine. And it's a fun thing for kids to play at the park and anywhere.
Yeah.
Do you like this bubble gun?
Yeah.
Okay. And some to you. Bubble gun, say.
You like that bubble gun? What I will it first.
It's an outdoor explorer kit.
Yeah.
And we are going to use it in our hike today.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
I'll help my brother because it's hard to open it for him. My dad can open it first. Mom
There's
can
a little lock here that you have to pull out. And then you pull it out.
open it.
So what are the contents in it?
Binoculars.
You have a binoculars and you have a whistle. In case you are lost, you can say that I'm lost by whistling.
Navigation point.
And what is this called? It's a magnifying lens. And you have
A bag.
no, this is a jacket,
A jacket.
explorer jacket. Can you try it on? And you have a small pouch which you can put it in together. There is right.
Oh.
You can put all that in your pouch.
Okay, let's.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why you can keep your whistle and magnifying lens.
Whistle. It's a whistle. It's a whistle.
And what is this?
I don't know.
This is a, what is this? A torchlight for safety. And
Need batteries in a car.
no, I think we're just pushing this
Ooh,
now.
okay, turn it off now.
And you have a binoculars. Open the binoculars and show.
I'll open it.
You had the same set of binoculars, which I'm not finding at the moment.
That's yours. Adventure kit. Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. Now put this in your pouch.
Wait.
Right here. And this can be put across your waist. See, I'll put on my jacket and be right back.
I'll put on it. Can I try? Can I try?
No, don't do that. That's what it says. Don't Don't do downwards, hold straight, otherwise it will not work. Okay, shall we go start hiking?
Yeah.
So one is adventure guy and one is bubble maker.
Each will set little pocket fun pack.
Is it? Look!
Look.
Hey Diego, why did Mushroom go to a party?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know why Mushroom went to the party?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he's a fun guy. The stars in the heavens, sunset and sunrise. All things have to change. They come and they go. From beginning to end, the life must go on.